Nexio HDX Headset System. Nexio is the newest and high-end wireless headset system for quick-service restaurants. It optimizes restaurant communication, allowing multiple conversations to take place at the same time, without impacting drive-thru operations. It truly delivers a world-class audio solution, emphasizing greater efficiency at every aspect of customer interaction to the drive-thru team. Nexio HDX headset system features include HDX digital audio. Nexio boasts of enhanced version of high-definition audio for a clearer sound. Text and Connect enables text-to-audio communication between smartphones and headsets. Group communication. You can easily communicate with all other registered headset users interactively. Tap to connect headset registration. Offers hassle-free headset registration with just a tap. Intuitive Message Center. Create voice messages that can be played over the speakers for reminders. Remote Management. Allows you to remotely manage Nexio settings with HME Cloud. Interactive touchscreen interface. Explore the menu via touchscreen with taps and swipes for easy access. These are only a few of the multitude of features that Nexio offers. Nexio HDX Headset System Components. The following are the various components of Nexio. Base Station. All-in-one headsets. The Nexio base station can support up to 100 headsets, allowing for flexible team communication. Smart battery charger. Remote transceiver. This provides adequate coverage of signal for better and widened headset communication. Microphone, smart speaker, and interface box. Typically mounted inside the speaker post, where the microphone and speaker are connected to. One of the most vital components in the system is the base station. It is where headsets are registered and many functions of the Nexio system are visible and accessed. On the home screen, you can see the different status of the components connected to the base station. The components are speaker and mic, chargers, headsets, alerts, transceivers, and network. Different colors designate each of their status. Green is online, red is offline, yellow is acquiring a link, gray has no connection. To the side of the screen is the sidebar menu items. There is Home, Crew, Drive-Thru, Message Center, System, Help, and Log In. To access all the sidebar menu items, a 4-digit PIN is required to be entered. Tap on Log In for the keypad to appear. Enter 1220 to gain access. Press Check, then sign in. To start using the Nexio system, you will need to register a headset. To make use of the headset, press and hold the silver button and insert the fully charged battery into the battery slot with the HME logo facing you. Turn on the headset by making a short press on the small blue button. It will flash green and red to signal that it is switched on. It needs to be registered on the base station in order to be used. To register a headset, lightly tap and hold the headset with the buttons facing the blue ring on the base station. The ring will swirl green to signal that the headset is pairing. Upon swirling, press No, Skip. Then choose either Drive-Thru 1 or Drive-Thru 2. Select Next. The success prompt will pop up. Then press OK. Upon successful pairing, the ring will become solid blue, and the headset light will turn steady green. You may now use the headset. If the ring is blinking red, this means that the headset registration failed. Make sure that the headset is switched on and close enough to the ring to register successfully. Alert tones help you know when a customer has arrived at the drive-thru. For a single-lane drive-thru, you will hear one alert tone when a vehicle pulls up. For a dual-lane drive-thru, when a vehicle enters lane 2, you will hear the alert tone twice to indicate activity in that lane. Now, let us explore the functionality of the headset. Tap the buttons gently to use them. First is the Lane 1 button. It opens the audio channel for Lane 1 of the drive-thru. The headset will flash green while in channel. Tap again to stop. Next is the Lane 2 button. It opens the audio channel for Lane 2 of the drive-thru. The headset will flash red while in channel. Tap again to stop. This is only applicable if you have a dual lane setup. Next is Group Chat. It opens the audio channel for all the registered headsets for internal communication. The headset will flash red and green while in channel. Tap again to stop. Next is Volume Up. It raises audio volume with an accompanying tone to know how loud it is. Next is Volume Down. It lowers audio volume with an accompanying tone to know how soft it is. Optionally, there is the Action button. For future use, this can be used to answer incoming calls. Next is the Power button. To turn off the headset, make a long press on the small blue button until the light disappears. Lastly, to remove the battery, press on the silver button firmly and pull down the battery gently to remove. Next Nexio component is the Smart Battery Charger. Preferably position the battery charger within 3 meters of the base station. It allows you to charge 4 batteries at a time. Please insert a battery into any port to begin charging. There are LED color indicators for the status of each battery in the charger. If it is solid green, it means the battery is fully charged and the charging cycle will stop. If it is flashing green, it means the battery is charging. If it is flashing both red and yellow, it means the battery is faulty. If it is flashing red, it means the battery is incompatible and must be removed. The ports located on the left and right side of the battery charger are for storage of batteries. Meanwhile, on the base station, you can see the status of the battery charger. If it is green, it means it is connected and detected. It will turn gray if not. The battery charger will continue to charge batteries, even if it is not detected on the base station. Moreover, you can check the status of each battery on the base station. Just tap on the charger's tile on the home screen. Tap on each port tile to see further information on the battery. Voice command. The Nexio headset also allows users to operate it hands-free with the voice command feature. To issue a voice command, say, "OK Nexio," clearly. The headset will flash white, then say the command. Examples are, "OK Nexeo, volume up." "OK Nexeo, volume down." "OK Nexeo, volume 8." "OK Nexeo, talk to lane 1." "OK Nexeo, talk to lane 2." And many more. There is a 10-second window for the user to continue with their chosen voice command. If no command is issued within the time frame, an error tone will sound. Volume adjustments. To adjust the lane volume, tap on Drive-Thru on the side menu. Then tap on Lane Volume. You will be presented with 4 types, where you have the option to adjust the volumes. Tap on the plus or minus icon to raise or lower the volume. First is the customer voice, which is commonly known as the inbound audio. This controls the volume of the customer's voice from the speaker post. Next is the order taker voice, which is commonly known as the outbound audio. This controls the volume of the order taker's voice going to the speaker post. Next is the arrival tones. This controls the volume of the alert tone that notifies when a customer arrives. Last is the greeter message. This controls the volume of the recorded customer greeter message at the order point, only if enabled from the message center. Base station restart. To restart the base station, on the sidebar menu, tap System, then choose Troubleshooting. Select Base Station, then tap Restart Base Station, then Restart Now. Rebooting the Nexio system would take 2 minutes. Wait for the system to finish resetting until it comes back to the home screen.